How to use the Night Low Predict feature in your daily diabetes management. You'll find this feature on the home screen of the mySugr app. It appears under the graph from 9 p.m. until 2 a.m. to show your risk of low glucose for the next 7 hours. Let's see how you could use this feature to prepare for sleep. Meet Paul. He's worried about lows, especially at night, because he has struggled with them in the past. His doctor recommended reducing lows as much as possible at his last appointment, and Paul wants to reduce sleep disturbances for himself and his wife, who wakes up whenever he does. Before Paul goes to sleep, he usually checks his glucose and injects basal insulin. Tonight, he receives a Night Low Predicted notification from the mySugr app at 10 p.m. It shows that he has a high risk of low glucose during the first half of the night, between 10 p.m. and 1:30 a.m. Taking the right action now could help prevent the low before it happens, or reduce its length and depth. With just a tap, Paul can see more information about the prediction, including his latest glucose value and what he can do to avoid a low. Having reviewed the information, Paul decides to eat some yogurt to keep his glucose levels stable overnight. This should help him to avoid the predicted low. Now that he's checked the prediction and taken action to avoid having low glucose overnight, he can go to bed and fall asleep easily. Paul sleeps much better now, knowing that he can prepare for bedtime to avoid lows on high-risk nights. He feels full of energy when he wakes up in the morning. You can find information about what to consider when using the predictions, including situations when they might be less reliable or unavailable in the CGM Learning Center. Thank you for choosing the Accu-Chek Smart Guide CGM solution.